one. All right. So yesterday morning they were out. They say 26,519 people. Sigma Run does it again. History in the making, a record turnout for this fundraising event. According to the executive director of the Sagicor Foundation, Ingrid Card, we made our target, and that was partly due to being oversubscribed for registration, even though you only make half of your money from that. So, say congratulations to Sigma, raising fantastic money. How much they raised this year? 50? They hit their $50 million target. I think they made 50 last year as well. So they're racking up some good money for the causes that they were working for this year. So congratulations, Sigma. Well done to all the corporate entities and individuals who got involved. Congratulations to the winners, Duell Allen, Paula Sinclair in the Walker section, Ryan Chambers crossed the finish line first for the runners, and the Paralympians, Afasa Cunningham and Sylvia Grant, won the wheeler section. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. It's always amazing. I mean, the kind of logistics and planning and everything that has to go into this event to make sure it is incident-free, on time, well-run.
Look at that picture and tell me if you can pick out anybody that
Of course, see right there, sir? Look there.
Where?
Right beside that tree in the back.
Yeah.
You don't see a pair of ears sticking out. Look, you see? Yeah, I see you. I see you. Well done, running events. Well done, Sigma. And his team. Yeah, man.
Who've done brilliantly again.
Again.
Wow. 5 dead in church shooting. This is in Russia. And they killed the person who killed the 5. They're reporting that a gunman opened fire with a hunting rifle after they were leaving a church service in the Dagestan region. They wounded 4 others. Police then killed the shooter. They say it took place in a town called Kizlyar. It's about 50,000 people on the border with Chechnya. Wow.
Russia?
They say it's predominantly Muslim region.
Ah. Wow. All right, so that's in Russia, but further afield in the United States, there's a young lady by the name of Emma Gonzalez who's been making news as the voice and the face of this movement that the kids are putting together to call for gun control laws and stricter measures. She has been speaking out. They're leading the charge to have a march that's coming. I think, when are they doing the march? Not sure, but she has made up her mind that this is going to be the last mass shooting ever.
Did you see that sign?
What did it say?
208 school shootings since Columbine. Look at that. 208. And I think this is the 3rd one since the start of the year.
More than the 3rd. I think it's like 8 or 15. What's the number? It's more than 3. It's more than 3.
Yeah, but 3 mass shootings. But,
yeah.
But 18 overall.
Yeah.
Wow. Incredible.
Remember, it's not just school, it's been church and
yeah, and it's the easiest thing apparently. It says currently 18-year-olds can buy an AR-15 rifle, which is originally designed for military use. And you could get that without a waiting period, while anyone seeking to buy a handgun must wait 3 days. But these same people are not old enough to buy liquor.
And remember, AR-15s are war guns. This is what soldiers use. They say people only really buy it if you're going to hunt.
So you can buy a gun, but you can't buy beer.
Not only that, you have to wait 3 days to get a handgun, but you can buy the AR-15 immediately. What is that about? There's a young man who tweeted yesterday that he just contacted somebody who had an AR-15 and made a deal to buy it for like $700. No background check, no waiting period. It was ready immediately. And he was underage. So it's too easy.
Incredible.
Too easy.
Did you go to the movie?
I did not go, but I know a lot of people that did, and they say it was great. You never go.
Okay. Yeah.
Me know you never go. You don't go nowhere. You're worse than me.
Just one way last week.
Okay. So did you went to the
You know that I didn't go.
Oh no, that's shocking.
What is a black superhero?
Yes. All black cast. black superhero.
And we have some Caribbean folk in there.
Yes, we do. We do.
We mentioned Jimmy Cliff's daughter.
Yes.
We mentioned that on Friday.
I'm not sure who else, but there are other folks because I think I saw Dahlia do a tweet with a list of all the Caribbean people in there. Okay, from the Bahamas all the way down to Guyana. Interesting. Who is this now? Letitia Wright.
She's from Guyana.
Shuri. Yeah, she was from Guyana.
Winston Duke.
Tobago.
Yeah.
Jason Elwood Hanna, born in the Bahamas. Nabia, who was a Brazilian-born daughter of Jamaican reggae sensation Jimmy Cliff. Sydney Noel, born in Grenada.
Sidel Noel.
What did I say? Sydney? Okay. Shawnette Renee Wilson, Guyanese.
There you go. There they are on the screen right there. I don't know who.
Yeah, man, Wakanda Forever. This is a big deal, guys. So some people are dressed up on the weekend.
How much money?
190 something million. 192 million?
No, more than that. 218 million.
Oh.
And that is in the US alone, right?
Yeah.
192 million over Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And they said they would make 170.
Well, there you go. Excellent news.
Is the first black superhero we have?
Yep. That's why it's such a big deal. All black cast. Represents empowerment.
So him better than like Superman and them people.
You know, I couldn't tell you how bad he is because as I told you about 5 minutes ago, I watched the movie.
They're not supposed to read up on it. They couldn't read up on it and it's the same bad like
I don't think you're going to comparison up it. You're just going to say that black people can. Yeah, black people can. You know.
How does Aaron speak?
I don't want to tell you because people would think I'm not a good mother. She's a lot like her mother. Let's just say that.
I'm sure she don't speak like you.
Okay.
All right. Time for birthdays. She does.
She does.
Happy birthday to Brittany, who's a medical student. It says medical school UE. And Brittany, them don't tell me your last name. And your birthday was yesterday, I guess, because it said the 18th, and today is the 19th. So I hope you had a great day. Brittany, it's coming from your mom, Valerie.
Very smart this morning.
And the rest of the family. I hope you had a brilliant day. The fact that you're at university would suggest that you could have had some wine and stuff, and I suspect you did. Happy birthday also to Auntie Joy. And Auntie Joy, greetings coming from Tapita, my good friend Tapita. She's brilliant. And your daughters, Tamika, Cheryl, Kay, and Precious. I don't know why I have a feeling it's not so Precious really name. Them just call her Precious.
How you know that?
I don't know. Maybe it's just a name. So Auntie Joy, have a great day today. I wish you so many, many more. And hey, Tapita, I hope you have a great day too, and all your friends and family. You have none?
Even if I did, you talk about the whole segment. So let's just go to break.
I did, because we're still doing the segment.
Yeah, but I'm sure we have to wrap. Just say we'll be right back. Just
right.
say that now.
Happy birthday, folks.
No, it's not.
Of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe me. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will, because our hearts tell us